Starts off with a grill oven.
I made a promise to someone. Let's do another pick. Wait until you see this.
Move again.
I am.
Okay.
It's all set up. Got a nice wardrobe. All my clothes in.
That's not big enough, that.
There's another bedroom. I'm going to live. Very similar to the All the Sleeper Real Lounge one that we looked at.
Broadway.
Yeah. So after being at the show yesterday, and we kind of walked around and had a look into some of the motorhomes, I actually found the one that I'd trade ours in for.
There'll be a few extra thousand, won't it?
Well, I'd have to sell you, and I'd have to sell the dog, and I'd have to sell the cars, and the motorhome, and have some extra.
Although, yeah,
But it is a very pretty motorhome.
very nice. It's similar to ours. This one's got the twin bed to the back.
number.
Got two there.
Oh right. Oh, and then one there. But then you have to reach over the steering wheel to get your cup. Huh?
Two each.
Yeah. Right.
Get over it.
That's the highest one. At least we know there's no pictures in it.
Right. I made a promise to someone. You might recognize this gentleman here. This is Millionaire Paul. We follow each other on YouTube and YouTube. And I promised Paul when he reached 200 subscribers that we're going to sponsor him for his. Is it
My top scroll.
Top scroll.
Yes, you were the very, very first people to say you would.
Yes.
Although someone came along, you said,
They
no,
picked.
you were very, very clever. What they said at Merry Manx Travels, they said to me, when you hit 200 subscribers, we will sponsor your top scroll. And I tell you what, it made my day. And I am 9 off, and they're giving me the money now for that top scroll.
So it's like presenting a check. Now present
We need a big one.
Paul with his £20.
And Merry Manx Travel, I love you.
And we did a sponsor coffee.
They also previously had sponsored me. You are such lovely people. David, behind the camera, MeShell, and everyone, don't forget Millionaire Paul. Keep watching.
Yes. Yeah, we're going to get Paul to be a YouTube millionaire.
You can sponsor my top scroll too.